guys, it's Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. I'm here today to give a small tutorial on how to put a black and silver patch on a hat. I will show you from start to finish how to download a picture from Google and change it into a vector file, and then go to xTool, Creative Space, and cut it out. Here we go. The first thing you want to do is go find a file of your choice, a picture. I've already found one, but I'm going to show you how I got it. I just went to Google. And if you hear something snorting, that's my dog. He snorts. But anyway, we're going to go to Google, and I'm going to type in, bulldog, because that's the patch that I have. Logo, and see what comes up. And then I'm going to hit images, so I only have images. And then you would choose whatever you would want, okay? And so, let's see if I see the one that I had. It's this one right here. So this is the one I had. And so I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hit Control and the space and the keypad, and then save image as, and I'm going to name it Bulldog 2 because I already have one, and then save it. Now, as you can see, this one here has those little check boxes in there. So I'm going to actually do an extra step, and I'm going to go to remove background.bg, and I'm going to remove those. It may be an easier way to do this, but I just do it this way. And I just need to pick the file that I want and hit open. And then it'll say remove background, so it did. So then you just download it to your computer. And I think it's right there. And now you see I have it without those little checker boxes on there. Okay? All right. So we still need to do one more step, because we could take it right into Creative Space like that, but it would be a PNG file and it would only engrave. So we don't want it to engrave. Actually, we are engraving, but I want to just show you how, if you wanted to cut it. Because sometimes your patch is too big and you just want to cut out the actual bulldog. And so I'm going to show you how you could cut it too. Okay. So we're going to go to Inkscape, which is a free program that you can get and download to your computer, whether you have an IBM Compat or if you have a Mac. You can download Inkscape. Okay. I'm going to take this out. This is my template for embroidery. I just have a circle patch, so if I need to make one real quick, it's there. All right, so now I'm going to find that file that I just downloaded. Let me get all this stuff out the way. And let me get Inkscape back up on the front. And here we go. We're going to put that right in there, okay? So there's our file. And all we have to do now is go to Path and Trace Bitmap. All right, and apply. That's it. Now you take the top one off, because you're going to keep that one, and you're going to trash this one. So now it will be able to be cut by the laser. So we're just going to save it, File, Save As. And then I already have mine set to save as a SVG. So we're going to save it as that. All right. So now we can close out Inkscape. And we're back to Creative Space. And now we just need to find that file. Remember it was Bulldog SVG. No, it probably wasn't, because I did not change the drawing part. So it's probably going to be drawing.svg. So we got to find it. We can always do a search. But here it is right here. Okay. and I just put it in the file by accident. So let's take it back out. This only happens because I'm on the computer. I mean on the camera. There it is. It accidentally went in that folder, so we just take it back out. And then we could just drag that over here, and then I'll make this whole thing bigger. And as you see, we have it as a vector file now, and we can cut it. All right. So I know my patches I get off Amazon, and I'll leave a link for those. They're 2.5-inch patches, and they're round. So I know 2.5 millimeters. Well, no, 2.5 inches. I'm sorry, is about a little over 50 millimeters. So we know we need it to be right around 50. So here we have 94, which is too big. So I'm going to take this little lock off, and I'm going to make this right around. I'm going to make it 50. And then I'm going to make this one 50 also. And so that's about the size that we need to cut our patch and for it to be within the boundaries of that circle. So let me select all, and then, Rocky, why are you snorting? All right, and so I use the cork desk pad anytime I'm going to use leather or leatherette, and I want to cut it. And so I don't want user defined. I want, let's see. Yes, this is what I want. I forgot, I'm not cutting it. I'm engraving it. So I want 40 power and 180 speed and just one pass. And that should be fine. All right. So that's all for this screen. And next thing I need to do is go over to the laser and set it up. So let me do that and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. It's actually engraving on the patch. It's looking good too. I didn't know if I had it centered or not, but it looks really good. All right, I'll come back when it's done. Guys, sometimes when you buy these patches, they come a little curled up. So I like to use this double-sided tape that I get from Amazon, and I'll leave a link below, to place underneath so it will not move and it is flat and it'll just peel right back off. Just a little tip. I'll be back. And it's done. Came out really nice. Now all I have to do is place it on a hat, and I'll show you that in a moment. Okay guys, I'm back. I got my hat and I got my patch. And I think I'm going to put it like right there. So I'm just going to take my heat gun, heat it up, and put it on the patch and then hold it in place. I'll do that and I'll come right back. Okay guys, I'm just putting the heat gun on it to make sure it stays. And I didn't use a hat press or anything, even though I have one. I was told this is a better method. So you just do that and then you press it with your hands. I can't do it and hold the camera, but just press that down with your hands until it cools off, and it's on there. It is on there. All right, I'm gonna press it a little more and then I'll come back. All right, guys, it's all done. I have a finished hat, and it's just on there. I may press it a little more at the top right here. Look like it's done, but that's how you do it. You just press from the inside and the outside at the same time with the palms of your hand, and use a heat gun, and it stays. You can even heat up the inside of it too and press. This has been Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Please hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell. I will see you on my next video. Bye.